Hey everyone, Steven with RevoSpin here. Today we will be going over how to assemble the PMB-900. First, let's set the base onto the wheels. Next, bring the upright stand next to the base. Let's rotate the upright stand to show the bottom holes. Grab the base and set it upside down onto the upright stand. Screw and tighten the 6 bolts to secure the base. Now, we are ready to attach the head unit. Open the small door on the stand and the door on the photo booth head to properly align the holes. We will screw in the screws from the inside of the stand to secure the headpiece. Next, grab the power cable and the USB cable to plug into the photo booth head. Attach the top bounce card by sliding in between the black knobs and tighten to secure. Now we are ready to plug in the bottom power cable and turn on the PMB-900. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team or visit our support page for more helpful articles.